speed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The lights so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Very pretty. The other one has a problem again. So, sabi nga nag-decide. Yeah, we ride at the right time, Dong. Thank you, Dong. Look good. Dito sa...
Pero ginawa na ako ng tatay ko na magkapitan. Kasi ako po, pag-bundok po ako.
Bundok sa Boracay?
Ako yun po, sa Bintan po.
Dyan? Kasi akala ko dong ang fish dito, ano lang, mura lang.
Mahal dito ma'am, yung mga palito.
Kaya nga, pagkakain nga kami dyan, pag sinabi lang seafood, wow! Ang mahal dong, uy! Mahirap dong. Tapos bigyan na lang kayo ng komisyon? Okay.
Wala po yung pinatatawa natin.
150 lang ang ibigay sa inyo? Siguro doon kasi mahal. You know what? The owner they will only give them 150 piece. Wow, then
Give them 200 each.
yeah, they only have 150 and he said their life also is hard because they're living there in the mountain. Not every day they can have. Tapos dong, every day dong maghanap kayo kung sinong sasakay sa inyo. Tapos pag wala. Every day they are looking who gonna want stealing. If there is none, so zero. No money. And, until this morning we are the only guests.
Oh.
Buti naman doon, kaibigan kayo ni Alan. Okay. Mabuti. Yung minsan doon magbanggaan kayo? Oh, sino ang kapitan? Ikaw. Wow. 3,500 tapos 150 lang sa inyo nun. Tapos
The bump eh. The bumper back. Steps. You go ahead, Edna. Yeah, you just get in line. There's a line. Yeah. Go ahead. Kind of go up this side. Go, honey, let's go.
Magkasama lang. Ano, picture na lang. Kayo muna, tapos bago yan.
Yeah.